Trying out the no bake cheesecake, man. Seen it in the store, I had to grab it. Grab the Biscoff, man. This stuff smells so good. I couldn't wait to eat it. So they say you got to put as many cookies as you can in there, uh, and put it in the fridge for about 24 hours before you build the rest of it. So that's what we did here. It looked good, man. I couldn't wait to try it. 24 hours. Help me build it. Steps, man. But wait, there's more. Ah, let's try this. It's been 24 hours. Look at that. No baked cheesecake. Oh man. It's dangerous. On the cookie. Sheesh. It's 10 out of 10. Mm, mm. Oh, I'll put it away. I ain't never made a cheesecake before. It's him. Don't forget to get the bag. Everybody eats B.